Hello everyone. Now today we'll be discussing about to generate the CNC part program from CAM software to using the CREO 7.0 and execute in the CNC machine. Okay. Let's now go to start the modeling. Then again we'll be generate the CNC part program using the manufacturing option. Let's now go to CREO parametric model 7.0. The first will be create as per this drawing, this model, the diameter 80 mm, then 60 mm and 40 mm. Okay, the length is 30 mm on both respective. Let's now go to create the modeling. The first will be create the work directory, select the work directory. Let's now here go to the turning folder, one of the turning folder. You will be select the link is copied, then again will be go to the work directory to paste the path. Okay, let's now go to new, take the part modeling. Use the default template will be unselect by the means of the templates in terms of inches and mm will be there, so I will be separately will be select unselect. The subtype is solid. Okay, so here the inches will be there and I will be select the ns part solid abs part ns part solid abs. Okay, right, these are the window will be coming, the solid modeling window will be coming. Let's go to the sketch, select the plane, which plane will be drawn here. Select the front plane, sketch, reorient the screen. Let's now start the drawing. Let's go to take the line, approximately will be click it, then again will be give the dimension. Escape, here to give the dimensions each and everything. This is 20 mm, this is 10 mm, this is automatically will be taken. I think this is will be equal. Okay, this line and this line will be equal. This length will be indicate 30. This length will be also will be 30. The total length will be 30. Means not 30, 90. Right, this is the profile is created. See, select this one. This length will be both are equal. That's why I take the not take the dimension. So that will be finish here. This is 20 means diameter 40 is 30 means 10. 20 plus 10, 30 into 2, 60. Here 10 plus 10 plus 20 means 80 mm diameter. Let's click OK. Go to revolve option. Select this axis. See, this is the part is revolved 360 degree. Then it is OK. Okay, the part is created. Then again we'll be do the some chompers. Okay, see in this drawing is not do the chompers, but here I'll do the chompers. Go to the chomper, select this edge respect to 5 mm. The 5 mm chomper is given. Okay, and also will be similarity here also, and also will be similarity on here. This is the chompers is given. Okay, okay, this is the product is finished. Let's save this drawing. Okay, this is already will be going to save on the as per the work directory path, the right. Okay, then close this one. Then now going to create the CNC part program. Go to manufacturing, right, go to manufacturing and click is the subtype means NC assembly. This is the default is unclick, unselect. So okay, see here the inches will be there. Now I will select the mm, ns, nc, mbc. Okay, Right, see, already the model is created. Now take the reference model. The first, this is a window is created, manufacturing window will be open, but here to select the first option is, first step is go to reference model, assemble the reference model, select this part, what is the desktop, the turning folder will be there, this open. Okay, this is the fully not fully constrained. Let's go to the default, select this default, this is a fully constrained, that is okay. Then the second step is will be create the coordinate system, the work coordinate system of the drawing. See, this is a work coordinate system of the drawing will be created. Let's now go to select this coordinate system and click it on here, any of this surface, just click it. See, this is options will be showing here. This will be drag it, this one cancel, we go to this one, select here, any one of the place is create. This one will be drag it, this plane and this plane. Here the dimensions will be enter 0. Right, okay, and the both axes will be 0. Will be the coordinate system is created, z, x and y. Okay, z, x and y, right. And next, the third step is to create the workpiece, to create the raw material. This is a finished product, that's why he'll be create the raw material, means the workpiece. Let's go to automatic workpiece. See, this is automatic, this is the circular cross section, but it will be showing in the square cross section, but we will be select the coordinate system of this drawing, and here the options will be shown, the rectangular or round shape. Select this round shape. See, select this part coordinate system and select the shape. See, here the raw material is created. Okay, see, this is the raw material is created, right. Then the fourth step will be go to which machine will be doing on this manufacturing operation. Let's here go to the lathe machine. See, this is a lathe work center. Some of the options will be there, is automatically by default all the things will be same, that is okay. Then now will we go to operation. The operation will be doing on the which reference point will be started, select this one. Okay, next here the turn window will be appear, turn window will be appear, turn window. See, here the turn window will be appear. Let's go to the turn window. Turn window will be shown. Here the different operations will be shown here. The area turning, groove turning, profile turning and thread cutting. But here as per this drawing, now we'll be do it on the rough turning operation, then will be finish turning operation. Rough turning means the area turning, the finish turning means the profile turning. Okay, let's now go to select the area turning operation. But here the options will be shown, which type of the tool will be selected, means edited tool. But here is all the tool parameters will be shown. Is by default all the dimensions will be there, but here the tip radius will be indicated 1. Hub play. Okay, let's see here. This is the tool is selected. Let's now I go to create the profile. Okay, that to create the profile, let's go to the geometry, select the turn profile. This is the CREO is automatically shown the turn profile, but in this profile is not here is not machine operation will be doing, but that's why you will be create the own profile. Let's go to use a sketch and define the turn profile. Go to sketch and select this one, means define the internal sketch, select this one. Here asking what is the reference plane. Okay, here asking to the reference plane, and select this one, any one of the plane. select this one, sketch, orient this one. Okay, see this actually will be coming on this line, but here will be cancelled. Then once again will be taken, sketch, select this one, right plane, sketch. Okay, no, close here. Once again will be go to sketch, select this plane and front plane, sketch. Reorient this. Okay, not a okay, but will be create the profile. Go to line command. See here will be started on this point, that is the profile is created. Select this one, 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 then up to the will be finished. Okay, you see this is the turn profile is created from this point up to this point, the material is removed, right? That is okay. This is the resume the previous faucet tool. Just click it here. Will be check the tool motions. Tool motion, select this cut, means the turn profile will be shown here, right? The profile will be shown here. So here to check the parameters. See this is the cutting speed, the feed, depth of cut is given 1, the remaining will be same. By the default CREO will be give the some values. Okay, if you don't want to modify, the same things will be repeat here. Okay, see here that then will be okay. See here the tool path will be check it here. The tool is coming on here. This is the front plane, this is the right plane, the right, just will be check it here. This is how the tool is working. Right, see this is check it, then it is okay. See this is area turning is finished. Next, now going to the profile turning, the right, select the tool, a same tool will be considered. Then let's go to the tool motion, select the profile turning cut, the same profile will be using, so that will be go to the turn profile, the same profile will be using, so that see here the profile turning also will be show the turn profile, and just check the parameters here also will be same thing, but here the same the CREO will be offering the different parameters is default, but you don't change the any parameters, it will be continue. Okay, there is no problem, just okay. Okay, set here, check the tool path. Once again the play path will be check it here. This is profile turning means the finish turning cycle, right? This is finish, close, right? That is okay. See this is all the programs is created. Just now check the simulation, just here click the edit button, but here it will be select the same thing here. Last thing is machine simulation, right? Material removal simulation, just click it here, check the simulation. See here the workpiece is shown, just click it on here, the play. See this is the metal removal process, then it is okay, close. Once again will be go to okay, then again will be check the profile turning also, will be go to this thing material removal process. Here also will be play. Is that right? Okay, see this is the metal removal process. Just close the thing. Then after will be all the operations is created. Let's now go to generate the CNC part program. Let's go to manufacturing window and here to save a CL file. Okay, and just click it on here, save a CL file. Here to select the NC sequence, select the first operation, the area turning 1. Here to select the file, file clicking, and then again will be select the MCD file, the CL MCD and interactive, then is done. So here the file is saved on the as per the means directory, work directory. Just it is okay. Then after will be done. Then here it will be shows the PP list. Here to click the UNCX01P12, just click it here. See this is the generated, just this is the closed. Just now I will be check the CNC part program on here, the turning. The MCD file means a tab file, means this is the area turning profile. Is right? This is the generating of the CNC part program for area turning. Okay, this is a 1195, means not 1500 lines will be there. Is right? Right, this is the program is generated. The close the thing. Next again will be check it on here. Go to program here. Done output. Is right? Next and once again will be go to save the CL file, save a CL file and NC sequence. Here to select the profile turning. Profile turning, select the file, MCD file, done. Right, here also will be save the thing, save, done. LP12, that is okay, done. Output. See here the program is generated, right? See once again will be check it on here, the sequence number 2, area turning 2 will be shown here, profile turning and area turning. Let's see here the profile turning, the program is generated. Alright, this is a 50 lines will be there. This is the profile turning. Alright, see this is the thank you for